What's going on, guys? We're back with another snowmobile video. Today we're talking about the MBRP trail exhaust trail can on a 600 ETEC motor. This is gonna be most of the 600 ETECs. It'll sound about the same. The can varies, but this one is a 2016 ETEC. So if you have a 2020 or whatever, a newer one, it's gonna be about the same sound quality. The can's gonna be a little different. You're gonna have to buy a different can than me, but the sound is gonna be the same. You came to this video wondering, is this gonna be loud enough for me? Is it louder than the stock? How much louder? Does it sound better? Can I run it on a trail? You got these questions. I had the same questions. We're gonna figure these out together. This is the MBRP trail can on a 600 ETEC. All right, guys, here's a 600 ETEC. It's got the stock can in there still. I'm gonna go ahead and place the mic in the same spot for both videos so you get 100% realistic sound. All right, so we got the mic located right there. Exhaust comes down right here. You're gonna get a real sound here. That was up to about 3,800, 4,000 RPM. Let's get in here and get the sucker out of here. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. It's a big boy right there. Yup. Time to stick the old MBRP in there. Got this used off Facebook, 150 bucks. Can't beat it. It was like $325 online, so I'd say I got a good deal. If you buy these off Facebook Marketplace and you buy them used and you don't get springs, make sure you have some extra springs because you're not going to have enough springs with what you had on your stock muffler. Not even close. Alright guys, so we got the can back in. MBRP can. Let's do the startup. I can already hear a difference. We'll see on video if there's a good difference, but I can definitely hear it's probably 25% louder. It says it meets the decibel ratings for the trail. I think it's 82, 88, something like that. You guys can quote me what the real decibel rating is. But it said something like that. It meets the standard up to 4,000 RPM. So I actually want to go take this outside and rip it and see what it actually sounds like and see how loud it is top end. look at those drifts. Those drifts have to be 5.5, almost 6 foot tall. That's crazy. We're getting lots of snow. The bank is only about a third of that. But you can definitely hear it gets loud once you get up to 5, 6, 7 grand. It's a lot louder than stock. I would say it's 40% louder once you get up in the RPMs. It's not overwhelmingly loud. I've got a baklava on and it's just enough sound to get into my ears. I don't think it's gonna be overwhelming trail riding if you're not hitting it all the time, but if you're using 60-70% of the power, it's not enough to disrupt your ears at all. But if you're just wide open, it's got just enough sting to get into your ears to maybe give you a headache. But I'm just speaking to the older guys that don't like the sound. I like silencers on my triples, you know, all that loud stuff. I'm a loud guy, but I'm just trying to get this legal because I'm taking it on a trip up north. So this will do for anybody looking for some more sound. Plenty enough sound. I'm giving it the thumbs up. If you guys are looking to buy this and you want an upgrade over stock, but you don't want it to be too loud to where you're gonna get pulled over in the trails, this is it, guys. This sounds great. I can feel the difference. I don't know if it's a difference in the weight, but you can definitely feel it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, drop a like, subscribe for more of these videos so I can keep making snowmobile content for the channel. Peace.